Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're really getting into something important for your health, diabetes blood tests. And we want to look at this specifically for you right there in Ashington. We've been looking at some helpful stuff from Blood Test UK. They've got a great guide focused on Ashington.
Yeah, exactly. So our mission today really is just to help you get a quick handle on what these tests are, where you can actually get them done in Ashington, and maybe most importantly, why they matter so much for staying healthy. Basically, it's just about checking the sugar level in your blood. Simple as that.
Right. So checking the sugar, the glucose, it tells doctors how your body's using that sugar for energy.
Yeah.
And it's not just about finding out if you have diabetes, is it? It also helps people who, already live with it.
Absolutely. It helps manage things. And catching any issues early, that's the key thing. Finding out early, even if things are just slightly off, it can really stop big problems from happening later. Things like, heart issues or nerve damage.
That makes a lot of sense. And for anyone listening in Ashington, it sounds like getting tested is actually pretty straightforward. Our source, Blood Test UK, points out loads of local options to your local clinic, hospitals, even some chemists. They mention places like Northumberland Healthcare NHS Trust and the Ashington Health Center specifically, so help is nearby.
Yeah, and what's really helpful, I think, is that a lot of these places let you book appointments online now, which is just, it's much easier, isn't it? Less faffing about on the phone, less travel maybe. It just makes it that bit simpler to, put your health first without it being a massive chore.
Okay, so it's convenient.
Yeah.
But what are the real big wins for people? Why should you get tested regularly? You mentioned catching things early. That sounds huge. The source actually talks about people in Ashington with prediabetes. Apparently, by keeping an eye on their levels with these tests, they made changes, diet, a bit more exercise, and actually reversed it, turned things around.
Which is fantastic. That early warning makes all the difference. And if we think bigger picture, knowing your numbers helps you make smarter choices every day about what you eat, how active you are, even managing medication if you need it. And all that significantly diminishes the risk of those serious complications we talked about. Heart disease, nerve damage, that kind of thing. It gives you a feeling of control, And it's good to remember Ashington has community support systems, too, to help you make those changes.
That's really positive.
Yeah.
Okay, quick practical question then. Anything people need to do before a test? I've heard about fasting sometimes.
Good point. Yes, some tests do need you to fast. That usually means nothing to eat or drink except water for maybe 8 hours or so beforehand, but not all tests are like that.
Okay.
The best thing is always just to check with your doctor or nurse. They'll give you the exact instructions for the test you're having, and of course they'll help you understand the results when they come back, usually in just a few days.
Got it. So always check with your healthcare provider first. Makes sense. Okay, so wrapping this up then. The main takeaway seems to be that regular diabetes blood testing is, it's a really powerful tool for your health, especially with easy access there in Ashington. It's all about catching things early and managing your health effectively.
Absolutely. Which kind of leads to a final thought, doesn't it? It makes you wonder, how could taking this one simple step, just getting a blood test, really empower you to take charge of your own health journey, make a real lasting difference to how you feel day to day?
That's definitely something to think about.
Yeah.
We really encourage you, if you're in Ashington, reach out to your local clinic or GP, or check out the Blood Test UK website for more info on this really vital health check.